Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a cute little card using the Santa Express Designer Series paper and Santa's Express Memories and More card pack. We will be using one stamp from the stamp set, Santa's Delivery. And yeah, it's going to be a quick card. So before we get started, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So we have our paper pumpkin kit for December. Today, December 10th, is the last day for you to subscribe to get this particular paper pumpkin that makes 16 standard gift card holders, okay? And I do believe the add-on is still available if you want to add on the Good Things cards and envelopes for $10. But again, today is the last day for you to subscribe to the paper pumpkin to get this particular kit, okay? Next up, we have our December host code. This is the code I would like for you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, do not use this host code because you will qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up, and we don't want you to miss out on that. Also, I still have some mystery boxes available. We have the mediums boxes for $60 each. That does include shipping. The large boxes are $80 each. There's a mix of new product, old product, used product, current product. Not current, I mean more current product than older. We have clean mount, clear mount, photopolymer, wood mount. So like all different kind of stuff. We have designer series paper in there, ink pads, markers, kits, packaging, ribbon, embellishments, everything that you can get. Think of it, we have all of that in the boxes. So most of the boxes have a mixture of everything in there. I have some old paper pumpkin kits. And if you have anything that is current in your box, consider that a gift because I cannot sell current product, so it will be a free gift in your box if you have current product. But again, medium $60, large $80. Contact me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. Okay, that's where you need to email me if you're interested in purchasing one of the mystery boxes. And these are as is. Whatever's in there is what's in there, and USA only, please. But that's it for our buzzworthy business. So let's go ahead and get started on our card. Let me move some of this stuff out of the way. We have some cardstock and designer series paper here. We're using shaded spruce and basic white for the cardstock, and then here's our pieces of designer series paper. So the first thing I want to do is get some glue and glue a couple of, no. I don't want to glue yet. I want to stamp. Do I want to stamp? Yes, I want to stamp. We're going to stamp on this white. This is 3.5 by 4 3/4. Yes. Where's my stamp? Okay, so we're just going to stamp Merry Christmas, and we're using Poppy Parade. Whoa. I don't know what just happened there. But we're going to stamp this in Poppy Parade. And we're just going to put it closer to the top, but not all the way up. Just like that. Then we're going to get one of the sticker sheets from the Memories and More card packs. And I want to put some, just decorate this a little bit. Just a little. Oh, I should have stamped it over some more. That one's going to hang off, but that's okay. Because we are going to glue this to some designer series paper. This is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8, I think. Yeah, so we're just going to glue that down. First, I'm going to put this little strip. I am not sure what size this is. It looks to be like maybe 3/4 of an inch. We're just going to put that at the bottom of our paper here. And I did a big no-no and put the glue on the designer paper. I should have a small strip, yeah, of this. Let me put it where I'm supposed to. I'm supposed to put it on the cardstock so that if it's too long, it won't be glue on the pieces I have to take off. So let me get my scissors here just in case there's glue. I'm using my gunky scissors. Okay. Now we can glue this to the cardstock. I'm sorry, not the cardstock, but the designer series paper. Just like that. I love this paper, the Santa suite. It's so nice, the whole suite. Okay, and I have a base here of thick basic white. It's 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. Let me get my bone folder and burnish down this score line. Then we're just gonna glue this to the inside of our card. I have very little of this paper left, and this I have 2 sticker sheets and some of the wooden elements for the Memories and More pack. So I used this up a while ago, making a bunch of cards with this suite. Okay, so that's the inside done. That's cute. Okay, so now let's work on our outside. We're gonna get this paper. Let me see, the smaller one is for something else. So we're gonna glue these two together. I love this side of the paper, but today was not the day to use it. This card only has the one image that is stamped. I know I haven't been on in a while with a video, but I lost my creative mojo, and I thought, what better way to get it back than to use some Memories and More card pack, because they really do a lot of the work for you. And I don't usually use stickers, so I said I'm gonna focus on the stickers and just do a card layout that can use those stickers. So now we have that done. I have the, what is this called? Very Best Trio Punch. I'm going to use that. I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to cut the edges of my designer series paper. Now, all of the measurements, I am going to list them on my blog, because I'm not sure. I don't really remember the measurements to everything. I didn't write it down. I usually write it down so that I would have it to tell you. And for some reason, I did not. So I know that this shaded spruce is 2 by 3 3/4. So this is probably 1/8 smaller. 1/8 of an inch smaller. So that's what I'm going to do for this. And we're going to glue this together now. Come on. Just to give it a little decorative edge. It's cute, right? Oh man, now I'm rethinking my whole design, because I like the way that looks, and I might want to have it like that. Let me see. So I have another punch here, the decorative circle punch. We're going to use this with this shaded spruce. I'm going to try to get it out the middle, so if I need to layer something on this, I can do that. So I'm thinking maybe I want to, I think I'm doing it. I'm changing up my design. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this on. Just going to stick this right up here. Do I want, no, I want to go all the way to the top. Let me make sure I'm in frame. Get that straight. Make sure that's straight. It looks straight. And I think I want to put some of this, what is this called? Iridescent trim. It's in the same suite. I think I want to put some of this down here. So let's cut a little piece of this. Oh, these are my gunky scissors. They're not good for cutting, as you can see. Let me get my scissors. And I cut it just a little bit longer than I needed because I want to have a little tail piece to tie a faux bow. So, oh, I need some tearing tape to hold this on the back. I think I'm gonna like this one a lot better than my original design. I don't know, we're gonna see. Yeah, this is bulky. I don't know if I wanna, yeah, I'll just pop it up on dimensionals, which is something I don't hardly ever do, is pop up one of my big layers on the front. Oh, Lordy. Let's see. Trying to make sure I get this straight on here. Okay, now this is not gonna, I'm not gonna remove the backing. I'm just using this like tape. So it's just gonna stay down like this. So this little piece we're just gonna tie on here into a knot. Just like that. And call that done. So let's get some dimensionals to put on the back of this. I'm gonna, no, I better use the white because they might see that. So I'll just use these dimensionals on the back side. I'll put quite a few so we can make sure that this is gonna stay popped up for us. We don't want any saggy bits. I want to make sure this area is popped up good. One more or two. No, I'll put that one back. Okay. Now the fun part, taking off all the backs to the dimensionals, right? Then we're almost done. We just have to put our focal point on the front and we'll be done. Isn't this going to be a cute card? You guys know I just have to throw my dimensionals everywhere on my desk. So let's center this up on the front of our card as best we can. That's pretty cute already. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is get out the mini Stampin' and Cut emboss machine, the baby Buzzz, and we're gonna do a little bit of die cutting. And I am using the All That Dies. This is not part of this suite. This is from a different suite of products. And I just lost the die. Oh no. Oh, there it is. Okay, so we're just gonna die cut this on some basic white. Take that and run it through really quick. Okay, so we got this die cut out and we're going to glue that onto here, just with some liquid glue. Just glue that on just like that, just like that. This is gonna be cute. Then we're gonna add this to our card front. And we're gonna put it about right here. Ooh, I'm liking this. Okay, and so I wanna use the Ho Ho Holidays sentiment. I don't wanna press it down too much. And then I want to put Santa on here. Right about there. And it looks like, because this is up, no, we can push that down. Okay, so that's that. Do I want to decorate it with anything else? I think that's good. We do have a single candy cane, but I think that's good. So then I have, where did I put them? Let's close up my glue. We have the embellishments, adhesive back stars. So we're gonna just put a few of these on and call the card done. Okay, these are so pretty. We'll put one there, one here, and one here. That's it, you guys. Isn't that cute? That's a cute little card. And the only stamping we did was on the inside. The rest are stickers, but they're so pretty. I love this. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.